Okay, ready? Okay, here we are, driving to Mount Rushmore. There's the 1 mile ahead. Oh, I can see the heads. I can see George Washington. I saw it. RJ's got his camera too. I can see a helicopter up there for the helicopter tours. Okay, here we go. Close window. Getting close. And there it is. See it? Wow. It is impressive. Okay, RJ, get a picture. Get the picture. The picture, RJ.
Yeah.
Got it. All right. Here we go. Going back up. Wow, I thought it'd be bigger than it is. There it is, right up there. Good. Here we are, Mount Rushmore. Walking out to the terrace view, Mount Rushmore. RJ, what are you doing?
Take picture with you.
There you go. Although he's too low for the ground.
RJ, go.
It's too low. RJ. Cool dude, huh? You got the McQueen glasses on. Okay, here we are. Viewing Terrace. Mount Rushmore. See if we can zoom in a little bit.